For Lagos, Abuja, and Port Harcourt, channel 98 on top of Go TV cable nationwide, and www.wazobia.tv/live if you dey watch us for internet. This na the ogbonge politics discussion show as e dey hot. We dey tell us every weekday from 10 to 11 not on Christmas, sake of say all the action tori where they come on smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. We go carry am, drop am down, open everything, chook mouth inside, talk am the way anything be, give you license to chook mouth inside and talk am so that those who they lead us go do the necessary thing to move this our country forward. My name na Ezogo Chokwuote, and as usual I know dey alone inside studio. I dey with my brother when Sabu well I stay concerning politics matter as e dey hot.
Yes, a beautiful Monday morning to our wonderful viewers who they watch us right now. Welcome to the Tieroba edition of our Bunga program as they hot, that political program where they do it in, where they informate, sunshine our different political activities, where they do it, where they happen for Obodo Nigeria. Today we'll not go different. We will give now all the gist of it happen over the weekend from Friday reach today will be Monday. So that at least once we don't open our phone line, our viewers go feed do it, go feed contribute. May I also bear in mind say we got 3 solid telephone line for now. I want to free line. To free line we say now go call, now go talk, now go express ourselves. But the people to go. Me not leave that one for us. My name never change. My name now Unkubi, and this now as E Dey Hot.
Make we tear the nylon come out on top of all of the action today when we carry come from weekend. Make una remember on Friday we go lock shop, carry key go. But based on say we care about information, we go put our ear for ground, gather all these stories, come give them Sabuna as E Dey Hot. Our first story got to do with the fuel scarcity matter when we say if we check our calendar, it be like say this fuel scarcity issue, it don't get end again because this APC government somehow just be like say the thing pass their power. But Oga Ibe Kachikwu, the Minister for State for Petroleum, he go one particular arrangement what they do over the weekend, come cut rope that is ribbing as he get to do with underground pipeline. This underground pipeline, they talk say the thing go they carry material from escravos, go Warri and Port Harcourt refineries. He come out, come they count the good when we say this thing not do. He talk say the thing of say fuel scarcity when they affect us, it go soon become a thing of the past. And he can also talk and say those Jaguda people when they go they like to the bus pipeline, they don't go see them do because this one don't they underground. But plenty Nigerians come back and say this man, we don't trust you. You just they give us date when we say you know sure. You first say April 7 not pass. You say April this, you say April that, you say May this. They come talk say may they just face this particular issue, solve them once and for all before this matter go pass the one when we say they're going to explain say na evil spirit they cause them. That's not the first story we will carry come on top of as E Dey Hot.
And from that story, we could enter straight to waiting the vice president talk. Vice president don't come out and Saturday. Come reaction Nigeria and say, look, when it comes to the issue of change, then they go back at us. So that change, when they don't promise us, say they go do it, say they go grant us that change. Say that change will come to limelight. Say, look, under the leadership of Oga Muhammad Buhari, say they have come to change the situation. They have come to change the nation from what it used to be to a better place. When Nigeria go feed it, go feel settled down. Say, oh, yes, really. Truly, this change we they seek for, we don't see the limelight. But people can talk say, hey, change it. If we don't hear say, you just come out and talk say change. This change, we never they see the light at all. Change until na tenor end. Now when we going to see the issue of a change, say okay, we don't see the light. Because reactions are obviously want about people. But then from our own end, we still wait. But we believe that change, we go see them somehow. That the Tori will get for be that. Waiting the vice president talk about change matter.
The next story get to do with power. I know as I call power, plenty people here go don't stand up because for this country, one of the problems we they face now say light not the day. And our Ogbonge minister, when they call 3-in-1 minister, Babatunde Raji Fashola, he sit down with news story people, come discuss at length the problems we they face for power inside Obodo, Nigeria. And from the top, when he talk, he answer plenty questions. Some of the questions we would ask say, why we need to pay more to get power for this country? Why it be say light no the day? Say some principalities and powers they carry long straw. They suck them as they generate the megawatts. He answer plenty questions, and I go break down some of the things when he talk. He been break them now say if we check. Since the time we say we don't generate power inside this Obodo Nigeria, based on the old electrical companies they won't get, say it be like say the thing will just go front, come down, go front, come down. Part because say government they do what they're supposed to, and also because say some bad people that they use hand, they spoil the work of government and the fact say make they generate power they go. But plenty people come and come look this interview, come talk, say, this man, you don't like to they talk before, but if like say, since they give you this 3-in-1 position, when be like say, come pass you. Any question when they ask you, you could just direct and go power. Why are you looking for excuses? Stand up and walk. Now, what the plenty people will talk. But when we enter this discussion, Nkubi, I just think go answer the question.
On top of it, answer the question on top of it.
Power.
On top of
my friend, move to your next story. Don't let me start with you first. Don't let me start with you first.
What did make you come put
I said you go answer the question.
You just said once you take end of Friday. You don't pick up from him.
No waste your power first. So we never even start the shout. You don't no waste your power. Keep on when I'm ready for you. Power.
Be ready for yourself.
Keep your power till when I'm ready for you.
Let me give you the next story. It don't do you. It don't do you. Well, the Minister of Information, that is Oga Lai Mohammed, don't come out and say, look, say the issue of Fulani herdsmen and farmers, say, now such will be say, it will soon end very, very soon. Say them will be federal government, they do it, they work underground, silently, to do it, to resolve this thing. When they talk this one, they talk for one religious group, gather people, can't say, okay, can't say, look, when they raise the issue of this Fulani herdsmen and farmers, the crisis and what it don't cause, say, what they do about that. Now I make a talk this, say, the silent will say they find solution to that. Say very, very soon. Say very, very, very soon. According to what they talk, the two way take is now they take talk. So say very, 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 very soon. Very soon. Fulani herdsmen, farmers matter, say it will be a thing of the past. Now the Minister of Information, Oga Lai Mohammed, talk with that over the weekend.
And our final story got to do with information when we say the Senate President, Senator Bukola Saraki, carry commot for inside National Daily. This day newspaper, and they publish this article. And the article will explain what he talks about being own sin. Why it be say people will not like him face, come begin the prosecutor based on C.C.T. In come and talk, say before the 2015 election, say some leaders for inside the APC, them in the talk, say, okay, make this person be presidential candidate, make this one be vice presidential candidate. Based on saying the person when saying get experience for politics and saying love Nigeria, he come and talk, say, this person when want be president a Muslim. This person when I want make him be vice president a Muslim. If you carry Muslim candidate, the thing go affect us for election because the PDP don't brand our party as Muslim party. He talks saying that the original sin when he commit, but that when some people come look say, so I want to become vice president now. And you are going around saying that Muslim. Say that the date when they come put down, say, okay, we are waiting for you. When it's time for you, we are going to face you. On top of us, they talk and say, anybody when they talk, say, make you go answer him mama name for court. Make you go there, prove his innocence. Or if you know they're innocent, make the court do what he's supposed to do. But we go see they discuss this matter. And Unkubi go see they answer all these questions. We don't carry all the Action Tori come. We go drop them as the hot and we'll begin the fire down, they go.
And Chukwu itself go see they answer all these questions because the question is not meant for me. Nobody me the design for.
Okay.
Now me and you there here and the questions where would they ask ourselves?
Okay.
We go provide answer for them.
Okay.
No, they make us look as if now the question start. Now me get questions.
Okay. Question.
You go to ask questions.
Okay.
Me go to provide answer.
Okay.
On top of what?
Okay. Provide the first answer.
And then they provide the first answer.
Okay. Make her provide the first answer.
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 Not be query.
Answer now.
Answer straight up. Not be query.
This is the first time in the history of Nigeria.
Who they answer question with this kind of tone?
Okay.
No. I won't take this answer from you.
Okay.
Bring your voice down.
Thank you.
Answer this question.
This is the first time in the history of Nigeria.
Okay.
Where we say we get government, when we say the ringtone of the government now, silent night, holy night. Who could be? You there here last week Friday when I be in the panel say this issue of Fulani herdsmen, even Ogabo be all the way from Amsterdam, he called talk say, we need to do something quick about this.
Minister of Information, don't come out, don't talk. What did they get one year? He said that they work silently underground. Say they carry their own investigation underground. They try find solution to them. Say very, very soon, Fulani herdsmen farmer matter will soon be 18 of the past.
May I ask you one question?
Now minister talk, don't be mean. Why you ask me question?
That they collect their salary underground. No answer.
Chukudi, refer the question to the Minister of Information. Don't refer it to me.
They collect their allowance underground.
Chukudi, a lot of matter need to go underground. Okay, what is it? A lot of matter need to go underground.
One full local government. I got two for inside Benue. And you are telling me that you are doing something underground. You're not even supposed to talk this in at all.
The Minister of Information, I talk to not me. So if you want to find you go play,
okay,
find the Minister of Information.
10 Nigerians here now. You they support say this issue now underground silent.
According to what the Minister of Information talk about like Mohammed, say somehow underground. Say they carry out their own investigate. They ensure say Fulani herdsmen, farmer matter, we don't they happen for different parts of the state, different parts of the country. Say they find solution to them. Now
the fuel scarcity too underground.
Ibe Kachikwu.
Saraki case, underground. Everything for this country, underground. Economy, underground. He's doing like this. No progress, underground. Light, underground.
You get Babele.
I take
Babele. I don't say you be. I don't know.
Say people they carry generator for the first time. Nowhere for this world. Nowhere. Guinness Book of World Record. Generator they line up for filling station.
Chukudi.
Underground.
Under a new policy, under this government. Now they know why they put measures on those things. Say okay, make people know they do it. Okay. Make people know they carry jerry can. Come filling station, go come buy fuel. Okay. So they bring their tank and all that. So, now they know why they talk so.
Today show me any headline. Today na April 25.
No show me any headline.
No wait. Today is April 25. Today is April 25.
No show me any headline.
In a couple of days, in 5 days, we go enter May. We will begin to count 1 year when we say this government don't they do underground
Chukudi.
For all the issues when they affect us inside this country.
The question is
the one where they pay me pass now this issue of Fulani herdsmen. How can Nigerians be dying in their homeless? And you are telling me you are doing this issue underground.
The vice president also come and talk not too long over the weekend. Say the issue of change. Say when the issue of change they don't promise Nigerians. Say it will soon come to a pass.
It will soon come.
Very soon.
It will soon come.
Start to see the result of change.
It will soon come.
So that the vice president,
May 29, 2016, 1 year, it will soon come. If West scarcity, April 7 don't pass, it will soon come. Power, how can the minister they tell us say he no get control over tariff? Meanwhile, now you be the same person who come and tell us say if they don't increase money for light. Which light will they pay for? The one where sun they shine, I mean the one where moon they shine. Which one will they pay for?
Chukudi.
Answer the question.
Chukudi. Before
the 2015 election, you there they sing, your mouth they run, buru. Government when we say under good luck, Jonathan, who could be say the truth? We ever go one day when we say, hey, okay.
What? No, tell me. That talk, make it land.
When Nigerians score, they will face you. When Nigerians score, they will face you.
You're trying to buy sentiment from Nigeria.
No, when Nigerians score, they will face you.
They try to like say that if you better person, Nigeria go say, Nkubi, no, what they talk about.
The song they beat people. Even now, sir, we don't even understand this song. From 7 o'clock, sun don't come out.
So you want
from 7 o'clock, sun don't come out. Until 6:30 for night, before the sun go down.
You blame song where they hit people on the government.
If light there, we go to complain of sun. If light there, we go to complain of sun.
You don't know what this song be.
Which
so
song?
Why you blaming song where just shine on you, where just there on the road, on the government?
Why we not go increase money for power?
Very soon now, if you
why we not go increase money for power before we get light?
Very soon, if the waka hit like for grand, you go see now Buhari government now in concern.
Or what did they blame?
Very soon now.
What did they blame Jonathan for? What did they blame Jonathan for?
Chukudi.
No, what did you before the election? What did they blame Jonathan for?
Say we're not blaming Jonathan. No, it's not Jonathan alone. We they blame the platform where they represent. Platform said for 16 years they don't they power not see anything.
The same platform when produce many of the people when there is other platform today. Olubola they call us from Ikoyi. You are in trouble. Olubola from Ikoyi.
They want to call political born again.
Okay, Olubola. Oga Olubola, they hear you.
I beg, bro. Me not take this thing easy.
Fire him.
The change that we never see anything.
Oh, 1-0.
I wonder how we could carry generator for the posting station. The black market still on. The
black market still on everywhere. Thank you.
I wish I did that one.
Thank you.
And it's not change. The change that we never put there.
Exactly.
Bro, the other bro did the argue I am blindly.
No.
Allow him to talk. Allow him to talk.
Fulani and herdsmen, they do. They keep the investigation underground.
That's why the minister don't say that they work underground. How do you see the results of the underground they work?
That they work underground.
Justice we need.
Thank you. Okay, Olubola, thank you very much. I'm leaving this argument now 1-0. Your argument is underground.
Now competition will they do.
Olubola don't put you underground.
Now competition will they do.
Thank you very much. You don't too much underground. Fulani herdsmen and farmers underground.
Don't do you.
NEPA underground.
We'll get Daniel for him because you wait to be your own.
You are in trouble today.
You will be in trouble.
You are in trouble.
Okay, Daniel, good morning. Daniel, good morning.
You don't pursue him now underground.
How are they pursue?
You don't put the core underground. You don't put the core underground.
Let me go break.
You need the break underground. Go the break.
Let me go for this break because as they've been Blast Chukudi, he need to go do it. He need to go calm himself that because the pressure he take address this thing. The Blast viewers anyway. We'll go for this break. We'll come.
Show just start with the sweat. You are in trouble.
You will be. Yes, welcome back. The program now AS E DEY HOT. Today's edition will be Monday, Terror edition, where we'll give now all the information of what happened from from Saturday, that is over the weekend, from Friday, reach today will be Monday. And I'll give a rundown of the major stories what will they offer now today. We'll talk about the Minister of State for Petroleum, Ibe Kachikwu, we carry out one pipeline commission recently. And you can also Action Nigeria say very, very soon, say the issue of first custody, it will be 18 of the past. We can also tell about what Vice President talk about Osibajo, talk say, look, very, very soon, that change will not promise Nigeria. Say the change will soon come to limelight. And from that one, we can talk about the Minister of Power, Fashola, we talk say, look, see Nigeria going to need to do it in. Nigeria going to need to at least do a lot of sacrifice when it comes to this power sector matter for us to be able to at least get steady power supply. And from that story, we can enter straight to waiting the Minister of Information, Lai Mohammed talk say, look, say the issue of Fulani herdsmen and farmers. Say that it will soon be 18 of the person they work underground. And finally, we can tell them about what the Senate presido that Oga Saraki about what he talks. Say, look, the reason why they tackle him now, the reason why they say everything about him, it's not because of saying come out vehemently kick against a Muslim ticket. Now make people they do it, they attack him right now. We get a caller, Ifeanyi. Good morning, Ifeanyi.
Hello.
Ifeanyi, good morning.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
Okay, good morning. I greet you.
Thank you, my brother. I enjoyed the program.
Thank you very much.
I listened to this program last week.
Thank you very much.
Okay, my contribution is, this our new government of Buhari and their APC. It's like this is the time they are starting to learn the government. They didn't know anything about Nigeria. Just like we youth, anybody who won't comment anything about Nigeria, you don't open mouth, they talk anything like say they watch football. You understand? But the reality is that Nigeria, the foundation of this country, there are some few men that I can mention them now, they know the foundation of Nigeria and they know the problem of Nigeria. Because they are afraid that if they solve the problem of Nigeria, Nigeria may collapse. So they allow Nigeria to be living on lies. That's why nothing is working. The problem of Nigeria is spiritual. That some few men in Nigeria know.
Okay, fine.
Spiritual
how?
Spiritual, I mean that is that the build-up of Nigeria, the structure of Nigeria is not divine. Just fake. Everything about Nigeria is fake. If you like, bring Jesus Christ from heaven. It will still tell you the same thing, that Nigeria needs to be restructured. That implementation of a national conference that Jonathan started is a good thing, that every Nigerian needs to feel happy as a Nigeria. I want to ask you one question.
Okay.
If you travel to America, even in Ghana here, somebody will build a house. He will put a flag of that country on top of his own personal building. But in Nigeria, such things don't happen. To see the way we feel, we only talk about Nigeria, we are just for mouth. Because we cannot even change, you cannot be any other place except Nigeria.
Okay, fine.
Thank you very, very much for that contribution.
Your important contribution. We get Usman. Usman, they call us from Etiosa. Okay, Usman, good morning and welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Good morning, Chukudi.
Good morning,
Usman.
Good morning, Kobe.
Yes, so they hear you.
What I want to talk for this matter is this government will just come power now. Small. Okay. You don't go to the rush them like that. Say,
okay.
Say, you don't do anything, you don't do that one, you don't do that one. Nobody said they do for 16 years. Don't they mess this country up? This government comes say they want to repair, and they don't go just come. Go say for 1 year or 10 months, so they will change everything. I want to beg in behalf of Nigerians, say I beg, let them just cool down. I believe say this government will do something.
Okay. Okay, Usman. Thank you very much for this important point. And we always talk and say Nigerians must exercise patience. But it go good, self. Say as Nigerians exercise patience, make government when they control all the work when we say that we do to match the patience of Nigerians. Because if we get situation where we say, it be like say they don't understand the situation, things they add them, because in truth, you get people who serve as governor 8 years, speaker, this, that, when they're the same political party, when they're the same government. Exactly. But the government like say they don't know what they do. And when they talk about people who destroy this country for 16 years, these people who destroy this country for 16 years, when everybody they talk, they don't come from Malaysia, they don't come from Singapore. Many of them are people who say cross from this particular political party to this other political party. Who could be so? Talk about that one.
No, we're already talking about it.
You are not talking. I'm talking. You talk your own.
No, hold on.
No, talk your own.
No,
talk your own.
No.
Talk your own.
On this platform, at this point in time, now
you don't want party 8 years as governor. You can't cross now. You won't claim say you born again. How is it possible? Underground. When you move, don't be underground. You want some problem underground.
Same tone on this one.
We don't get the same tone. You get your tone. I get my tone.
We get goodness. Goodness they call us from Ikorodu.
You have your tone. I have my tone.
No. This one we get the same tone. Good morning, goodness. Goodness, good morning. I beg, bring down the volume of your television. I beg.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Would they hear you? Fire on.
Please, I want to, because I didn't hear you guys mentioning fire being the cause of fuel scarcity in the state.
Would they hear? Would they hear?
Can you people enlighten Nigeria now the man say be the cause of the fuel scarcity in the state? Because in Nigeria, there's no fuel. How come about the state? The governor of the state? Because the APC aggregation is too much in Nigeria. We don't even understand them again. The issue of budget, we don't understand. Which is these people doesn't ready for governance for Nigeria.
Well, the issue of fire share they talk about, it just they restricted to their state, will be Ekiti state, and internal issue that are no concern national this thing. Now for Ekiti state, they address that particular one, and because the opposition they blame fire share, say for where we know they for their own state. Somehow black say get her the inside, not be national. So based on that, now waiting about the story of fire now there in end. So you get another thing to talk. Okay, goodness. Okay, thank you very much for your
contribution. But quick one. People when they blame Ayodele Fayose for fuel scarcity for inside Ekiti state, I don't understand. How you going to blame Ayodele Fayose for fuel scarcity inside Ekiti state when fuel scarcity there everywhere for even Nigeria? So then it don't even enter. It don't extend enter inside Cameroon. How you going to blame Ayodele Fayose for fuel scarcity? Oh, now you know say we get Chukudi.
Oh.
I will come back to this issue.
Come back to
you are in trouble.
Chukudi, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
This is Chukwuemeka from Surulere.
Okay, Chukwuemeka, good morning. They talk to us, will they hear you?
Hello? Not Chukwudi, Chukwuemeka.
Chukwuemeka, will they hear you? We don't take notes.
Okay. Concerning the issue of this Nigeria.
Okay.
Nigeria is not one. The tribalism in this country is much. Talking of Lai Mohammed, this one, in fact, I'm just tired of this country. Nothing is working in this country anymore. We are suffering in this country. We are suffering. The business people, they are complaining. Even the market women, everybody is complaining. People are dying for hunger. The useless government.
Oga Chukwuemeka. In as much as you vex over the situation of the country, we get some times where we feel allowed make person use on this platform. You understand? The word useless, though they are acceptable for this on this platform. I beg. You hear what I talk?
I didn't hear you, sir.
I said the word useless, we don't accept them on this platform. If you want to talk, express your thought, but no use terms where we say where they acceptable.
Okay, Chukwuemeka, thank you very much for your contribution. We get Festus. Okay, Festus, good morning and welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Good morning, my people.
Good morning, Festus. Where they come from, Festus?
I take up beg Nigerians, may they beg Buhari and APC.
Okay.
May not disgrace our love governor of Fashola. May not disgrace her for us.
Okay.
May not disgrace her for us.
Okay, Festus, why you talk this one? You mean say...
May they give Fashola money to work.
So you mean say they don't give her money, now they can say like no day?
Make APC not disgrace our Fashola for us.
But the same APC now, party where we say Fashola said be member of right from time.
Listen, my brother.
Continue with the hear. Continue
with the hear.
It's a man of the people, the whole world know he can deliver. You understand me?
Yes.
Look at Kachikwu. Kachikwu came out openly as a technocrat and tell the world the truth. They manipulate her. So then now, the truth is prevailing. That's what I said before, that if you wait for me, the bourgeois, the Jagabans, we are telling him why to say the truth. Fashola came out and told us that he is going to increase tariff on NEPA. Let me tell you the truth, my brother. They will increase it. The only thing we will pay Fashola is our love governor of Lagos, he has delivered in Lagos, Nigeria, I have seen him. He should provide prepared meter, before they increase tariff on light.
Very true. Okay, Festus, thank you very much for that very important contribution. We don't know time. We get Dari. Dari, they call us from Ikorodu. Okay, Dari, good morning and welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Good morning this morning.
Good morning, Dari.
I'm calling from Ikorodu.
Okay, we hear you.
So as soon as they speak, but I wanna say change no day this country for waiting we vote for. Change day boku. One, first of all, now let me start from the aspect of this the improvement in police. Gone are those days that we are going to, I think they are going to be what we call it, employment for police. Those days we do purchase form, but these days there's not like that. It's free to everybody, which everybody have access to it. Okay. Another one again, the aspect of this military equipment. Now it is free. The other one again, one of the campaign promises by the president, he said that he's going to fight corruption. We know some thousands and many or hundreds of the political appointees that have been indicted due to the point that they are corrupt with one or two funds. Three, again, let's look at the time of this budgetary. This budget that we are seeing now is not like those days that they can collect money that they normally bribe the senators before they put it on one or two things. So God made me have seen change in this thing. Nothing can come easily, or nothing can come, something that is good. Anything that is good cannot come so easily or cheap like that. We must experience what little as an hardship before things can be done that way.
Very true.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for your important contribution. You don't talk to me Nigerians exercise patience. Say nothing good, they come very, very easy. Quick one, we'll go rush enter inside this break. When we go this break, come back. Unkubi, go see continue to receive the fire. I don't say make I step and down. Make it no fuck.
No.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.